In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and tapping on sounds and vibration. Then select vibrate at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select sound next to vibrate and click on this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming calls. Then scroll down, tap on cool vibration pattern and apply the best one for your incoming calls, like heartbeat. After you go back, you can tap on notification vibration pattern and do exactly the same but for your notifications. Then select vibration intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right on this slider. Then you can click on System Sound Vibration Control and click on all of those switchers next to all of those features under vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!